Hey everyone, welcome back to another huge construction update from Spotify Camp Nou. Today's progress is looking seriously impressive because the compression ring is now moving deeper into the south goal area, and the transformation of the stadium is becoming more visible every single day. New structural pieces are being installed constantly. Workers are active across multiple levels, and the pace of construction continues to surprise everyone following this project. So let's get started and take a look at today's exciting stadium progress. One of the biggest developments today is the clear advance of the compression ring structure into the south goal sector. Several new flanges have already been connected, and the radial beams are now fully linked in key sections, preparing the area for the next major structural phase. What makes this area especially interesting is how different the structure looks compared to the lateral side of the stadium. On the lateral section, the pillars were positioned inside while the radial beams extended outward. Here in the south goal area, the opposite is happening, with the pillars now located on the exterior while the radial beams face inward. The construction pace remains extremely fast. Every single day, crews continue installing new flanges, pillars, and radial beams. Workers can be seen across the upper levels constantly preparing the next pieces for installation. Another important visual change is the removal of scaffolding around the south goal sector. Most of the scaffolding in this area has already disappeared, leaving only a few remaining sections still standing. This is making the structure look much cleaner and gives a much better idea of the final appearance of the stadium. As more temporary structures disappear, the scale of the transformation becomes even more impressive. Inside the stadium, work continues heavily around the VIP zones and internal structural skeleton. Several elevated platforms are active throughout the interior levels, where crews are focusing on beams, supports, and finishing details. The mobility cores are also progressing steadily. Workers continue preparing these sections for the installation of sandwich panels, similar to the ones already installed on the lower levels. Although there are not many dramatic exterior changes in some cantilever areas, it is clear that a huge amount of work is happening inside the structure itself. Pivoting to the north goal third tier, we are now seeing an important update that carries real excitement for every cooler and Barcelona fan following the stadium progress. The step installation is now clearly advancing, and the structure is starting to take a defined shape. Circulation zones are becoming more visible, showing how this area will function as a future seating stand. These steps are an essential part of the system, working together with the future seats to complete the full stadium experience. As the steps form, it clearly signals that the seat installation phase is getting closer day by day. Overall, this is a strong sign of steady progress, and the third tier is now visibly moving toward its final seating structure. The interior works are now starting to look truly impressive, with several new elements becoming clearly visible across the stadium. New LED lighting is installed throughout the interior, with both functional and decorative fixtures giving the space a more modern look. Hospitality areas and circulation corridors are progressing steadily. Flooring is not yet final, as finishing and ground leveling work continues across multiple sections. A major moment has arrived at the construction site of Spotify Camp Nou, where LED lights have now been installed along the slat system. 7 LED lights are currently visible and active, fully connected with proper wiring in place. This is not just a small detail, but a clear sign that the stadium's exterior lighting system is now starting to take shape. Although this is still an early stage, it marks the beginning of a much larger lighting plan that will eventually extend across the full facade system of the stadium. Overall, this is an important step forward, showing that the exterior illumination phase has officially begun. The facade installation process continues progressing across multiple sectors of the stadium. Workers are now actively aligning anchors and guide systems that will support the future ceramic slats. In several corners of the stadium, guide rails have already been installed between the anchors, meaning these areas are getting very close to receiving their first ceramic facade pieces. Some sections still require additional connector structures behind the brackets before the slats can be mounted. Even so, the preparation work is clearly accelerating week after week. As usual, The lateral side of the stadium remains the most active construction area. This sector is filled with cranes, elevated platforms, workers, radial beams, pillars, and compression ring materials waiting for installation. Large flange sections of different sizes are now stacked throughout the area, alongside multiple radial beams prepared for the upcoming assembly phases. New support structures are also being moved into position to assist with future compression ring installations. The amount of material stored around this section shows that construction teams are preparing for several major installations over the next few days. The corner areas are also advancing quickly. In one section, newly concreted diamond structures are already finished, with formwork panels now removed after the concrete work was completed. Nearby, workers continue installing ceramic facade slats almost all the way to the upper levels. The facade system in this sector is starting to look far more complete from the outside. At the same time, another mobility core that previously looked behind schedule has now advanced significantly, with nearly all of its main beams already installed. We've moved toward the north goal corner, where new ceramic slats have just arrived on site. A fully loaded truck has delivered fresh materials, and more slats are stacked nearby for upcoming installation work. These slats will be used across the right side section, covering scaffolded areas and underside of the structure. A crane is already positioned in this zone, clearly indicating installation work could start soon. At the same time, protective coating is being applied to steel elements and bolts, likely for fire and corrosion protection. Overall, this area is still in a preparation phase, with materials arriving and installation setups being completed before facade work begins. Now at the mid-level of the north goal, we can clearly see ongoing finishing work across the structure. A platform lift is active, and workers are focusing on treatment of beams and joints. Protective coating is being applied to steel beams and bolts, most likely fire-resistant or anti-corrosion treatment. This step is essential before final facade and panel systems are installed. The main black structural beams for future sandwich panels are already in place across multiple levels. However, some smaller diagonal supports are still missing and need to be installed to complete the framework. At the moment, there is no major structural installation happening, only finishing and preparation work as this section moves closer to next phase. New sandwich panels have just arrived at the Tribunal area. A truck has delivered multiple units, which will be used in the mobility core where installation is still pending. Additional boxes and construction materials are also visible nearby, confirming continuous supply into this zone. These panels are expected to be unloaded and distributed across the upper and remaining sections soon. Looking around the structure, there are no major changes on the left side supports, while the right side areas are still waiting for further installation. Both mobility cores already have partial panel coverage, but some upper sections are still incomplete. A crane is also present in the area, indicating upcoming lifting and installation activity. For now, this section remains in preparation mode as materials are ready and the next installation phase is about to begin.